Now, as you know, I'm a chef who brings you easy-to-cook weekly recipes. I really love and enjoy cooking, but sometimes I also need a break from the kitchen. Now, the good news is that I'm taking you along with me, so you can also get inspired about travelling and experience different types of foods that you may not normally try at home. Today we visit a water temple. We drive to see a beautiful rice field and stay in a villa that's so close to water, you'll think you're in a boat. It's always sad to leave such a beautiful villa, especially the staff, who've become our friends. But we're on our way to a crazy, epic villa, and I'm really anxious to see it.
Welcome to Bayu Gita, Mr. Joe.
Thank you so much. This villa is so relaxing, and I could truly spend all of my time here. But I also want to see more of this beautiful island. Therefore, we're going to see the iconic rice fields. Now I'll show you more of this exciting villa. This beach-facing master bedroom is more like an apartment. I mean, I could live here. Now, the bathrooms are enormous, as you can see, and feature indoor and outdoor showers. There's even a plunge pool. Now, this is the second master suite, which is quite similar. Both have satellite TV and king-size beds. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so what's cooking tonight?
Tonight we make a nasi goreng, that's Indonesian dishes. So we fry the garlic until we smell.
Okay, yeah.
And can the egg, chopped chicken, carrot, leek, and then we put the rice.
The rice needs to be cold.
2%. 1.5 tablespoon oyster sauce.
Oh yeah, oyster sauce, yeah.
And then sweet soya.
Kecap manis.
Kecap manis. Little bit salt. Little bit chicken powder. This is sliced celery for flavor. This is fried salad. Sesame oil for flavor.
Good job. Yeah.
Okay.
Nasi goreng is usually served with egg on top. In this case, Budi is making an omelette. This one is served with shrimp crackers and chicken satay.
Wrap salad on the top. Finish.
Another delicious meal.
Nice, healthy. Yes.
I think it's time for some lunch. For lunch, we had a delicious tuna and mango salad, plus a banana fritter with maple syrup. We are now travelling to the sacred water temple. It's one of the busiest temples in Indonesia.
Normally, before you go into the water, you need to pray. Pray with something.
Now, before entering the holy water pools, you have to meditate and then make an offering to the gods. For the showering ritual, you'll find 3 different pools. Each one has many water spouts. Each spout has a different spiritual function, from protection, peace, disease, to wishes and forgiveness. Tirta Empul means water gushing from the earth. This is a natural, pure drinking water, even if it does have a fish or two. To exit the temple, you pass through a large pool filled with koi fish, giving a calm, relaxing atmosphere. And you finish up in a never-ending maze of local shops. Hello, Budi.
Yes.
Let's see what you're up to.
Start with this.
This is a 6-bedroom villa. Now, these bedrooms really amaze me because of the size of the bathrooms. Up here is also a perfect spot for a massage. Now, downstairs, you'll find a home cinema with hundreds of films to choose from. There's a bar and a pool table, plus a gym if you're into that. For our final dinner here, we're having a barbecue. We selected the mixed barbecue, which has seafood, chicken and beef. It's really hard to find a better location than this. And sadly, that's the end of this Bali series.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.